Okay, so we're still in 8.2b, polygons. It says finding angles inside of congruent triangles. Congruent means same shape, same shape, and same size. So really, they're just photocopies of each other. Exactly the same. So if this is 119 degrees, this is 119. If this is 24, this is 24. If this is 10, this is 10. Okay? So let's look at just a sec. Okay, so it says, what does congruent mean? It means same shape and same size. It's like a photocopy, exactly the same. So when it says the two figures are congruent, it means they're exactly the same and there's no difference. So if this is 26 degrees, this is 26 degrees. If this is 121, this is 121. Okay? So it says find the measure of angle BAC, B prime, A prime, C prime. So we just look at the middle number, the middle letter, A prime. Well, there's A, no, A prime, this one. So it says find BAC, BAC. That means angle A. Okay? So what we have to do is take all the information from here and put it on this one, because we have to find this one. So here, this big angle at C is the same as this one. So if this one's 121, this is 121 as well. So we have two angles inside the triangle. We have to find the third. We know that they all equal, if I add them all up, it's 180. So I can just go 180 degrees minus this one, minus 26, and that will give me this one. So 180 minus 121 minus 26 is 33 degrees. So now I know here is 33 degrees. So I would say angle A prime, because there's this little, it's like a apostrophe on that, is equal to 33 degrees. Okay? So now let's look at the next one. The two figures are congruent, so same shape and same size. They're like photocopies. It says find the measure of angle A. Here's A, and here's the missing angle. So we're going to take this information that's on this triangle and put it over here. So this angle B is 24. So that is 24. Here we go. If we know these two, I can find this one by doing the same thing. 180 minus 119 minus 24. That will tell me the missing angle. $37 degrees. So in here it's 37 degrees. So I can go angle A is equal to 37 degrees. Okay. Let's look at this one, because they look a little weird. Okay. The two figures are congruent, same shape, same size. Find the measure of angle A and angle C. Oh, they're going to be the same, I think. So let's just look at, let me just get a piece of paper here. Let's just look at one triangle. If that's 30, that's 40. How do I find A? Yeah, they equal to 180, so I can go 180 minus 30 minus 40 equals 110. So I know this is 110. Now let's look at the next one. If this one's 40 and this one's 30, how much is this? What's the same? That's 110. So I can say angle A is equal to 110 degrees and angle C is equal to 110 degrees. Okay? Let's look at here. The two figures are congruent, same shape, same size. find the missing angles. Oh, now we're doing angles. Okay, we were doing angles before. All right. Well, that's 90. Okay. So if that's 30 and that's 90, I can find that. I can just go 180 minus 30, minus 90. Because whenever we have this square, it means it's exactly a right angle. It's 90 degrees. So this would be 60 degrees. So this here is 60. If this is 60 and this is 90, 90, 60, the other one has to be 30. Okay? So missing angles. That's angle C. So angle C is equal to 60 degrees. And what's that? That's an E. Angle E is equal to 30 degrees. Okay. Let's do the last one because it's a little bit harder because there's an extra step in here and it's not triangles. It has 4 sides, so they're quadrilaterals. It says the two figures are congruent, same shape, same size. It means they're photocopies of each other. They're exactly the same. Find the missing angles. So we have to find all these missing angles. Okay. Well, if I look at this long and pointy end, it matches this long and pointy end. So these ones are the same. So I can put this here. This is 60. Now this one is obtuse. It's big. And that looks like it matches this one. So this one is 130. Now the one right beside 130 is 85. So the one right beside 130 is 85. And this one that's over by itself that looks like it's almost at 90 degrees, but it may be a little smaller. It's missing, but it's not 90. I don't think so. I think it's smaller. Whoa. I can't do 180 minus these because this is a quadrilateral. It has more angles in it. So how many, if you add up all the interior, the inside angles in a quadrilateral, how much does it add up to? Well, if I go from, let's see, if I go from here to here and cut it, I have 2 triangles. All these angles add up to 180. All these angles add up to 180. So what's 180 plus 180? 360. So a quadrilateral has in total 360 degrees. So if I know the total is 360, I can go 360 minus this angle, minus this angle, minus this angle, and that will tell me the missing angle. 360 minus 60 minus 85 minus 130, that's 85 degrees. So this one here, from here to here, is 85 degrees, the whole thing. So that means this one here is also 85 degrees. So find the missing angles. Yep, we found them all. Okay, so remember, triangles in total add up to 180, and a quadrilateral has 2 triangles, so it's 180 plus 180. So a quadrilateral has in total 360 degrees. Okay.